After
Hmm.
joining Accio, I was practicing DSA day and night. Like that was my only focus. And then I
Hmm.
started to learn about development more.
Hmm.
And also, if you're coming to a corporate environment, you have to develop your soft skills as well. So Accio
Hmm.
also helped me for that as well. So yeah, so and I also had to be more extroverted because
Hmm.
before I was more introverted and I was
Hmm.
shy to talk to
Hmm.
people. But through Accio, by giving so many mock interviews, the fear of talking to people went away. So
Hmm.
it really helped.
Hmm.
And I
Okay.
think that was one of the key reasons I was able to, like, I had the confidence to fly
Hmm.
to Bangalore and do
Hmm.
what I'm doing.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are back with another testimonial. Today we have Ankita with us. Ankita is an ArcheoJob alumni who recently got placed in Traxon as a backend developer. She has done her graduation in the year 2022 in ECE branch. So today we talk to her and try to understand how she was able to crack this company, how her entire journey was with ArcheoJob in the last 1 year, and if she has any sort of advice for people who want to learn coding. So do make sure that you watch this video till the end. But before moving forward, take a moment to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you're always notified of all our upcoming videos. And now, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the session. Hi, Ankita. Thank you so much for taking out time to do this with us. Can you quickly
Hello.
introduce yourself for our viewers?
Yes. Yes. My name is Ankita Pathak, and I'm from Jalpaiguri in West Bengal. I graduated in the year 2022 from Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College. After graduation, I joined AccuJob for their full stack web development course, and I gained knowledge and experience in Java and DSA and also backend development.
So Ankita, you have done your graduation in the year 2022 itself, right? You graduated, and right after that, you joined ArcheoJob in December, right? So
Yes.
can you tell us a little bit about how you discovered ArcheoJob and what was the reason that you wanted to upskill yourself through a boot camp? So tell us a little bit about that then.
Yeah. So what happened in college was that in the end of my BTech, I was starting to get interested in coding, and
Hmm.
I wanted to make a career in this software development field. So for
Okay.
that, I started learning to code by myself and was watching tutorials on YouTube. And
Hmm.
through YouTube only, I discovered AccuJob, and then I enrolled.
तो अंकिता 2022 के एंड में आपने ये कोर्स ज्वाइन किया था, राइट? और अभी ऑलमोस्ट 2024 हो गया है, तो काफ़ी लंबी जर्नी रही है आपकी आके जॉब के साथ, बट इट वाज ऑल वर्थ इट नाउ दैट यू आर प्लेस्ड एज अ बैक एंड डेवलपर. So tell us a little bit about the entire journey, like how it used to be, you being a non-tech person, starting learning coding from scratch, and now that you're a proper full-fledged back-end developer. कैसी रही है पूरी journey? What were the ups and downs, and what did you like the most?
Yeah, so after I joined Accio, I was trained on DSA mainly. So the first
Okay.
focus was on DSA, and because I was not good in DSA because I came from a non-tech background, so I did not know a lot. But the live classes and the instructors, they were very good. Like they explained everything very well. So I was becoming better day by day in DSA. So yeah, and also the mock interviews really helped. And
Okay.
after I was able to do DSA, I was shifted to the backend module where I learned Spring. And after that, I started sitting for placements.
Little bit about how you cracked this company, because it was a back-end role, and I'm sure it would have required a lot of practice. So tell us what helped you the most. Like, was it the projects on your resume, maybe how, or maybe you were very good at advanced DSA, whatever was it. You can just tell us how you were able to crack this company.
The main focus was in DSA. So
Okay.
for backend development, they were seeking somebody who had skills in Java and also
Okay.
Spring Boot. So I
Okay.
was in the Spring Boot module and I completed it. And
Hmm.
also I had DSA skills. So in the interview, they only asked DSA, and
Hmm.
I had to really explain what I was doing. That was the main thing. So
Okay.
in for backend development, they really focus on how you are thinking
Hmm.
more than other.
So Ankita, this job is in Bangalore, so it is a work from office, right? And you
Yeah.
must have traveled from your hometown. So tell us a little bit about how has it been, you being a student and then, giving it a year to your preparation and then finally being a working professional. What all changes have you noticed in yourself or in your schedule?
Right. So, like when I was a student, what I really was focusing on was building my skills. So after
Hmm.
joining Accio, I was practicing DSA day and night. Like that was my only focus. And then I
Hmm.
started to learn about development more.
Hmm.
And also, if you're coming to a corporate environment, you have to develop your soft skills as well. So Accio
Hmm.
also helped me for that as well. So yeah, so and I also had to be more extroverted because
Hmm.
before I was more introverted and I was
Hmm.
shy to talk
Hmm.
to
Hmm.
people. But through Accio, by giving so many mock interviews, the fear of talking to people went away. So
Hmm.
it really helped,
Hmm.
and I
Okay.
think that was one of the key reasons I was able to, like, I had the confidence to fly
Hmm.
to Bangalore and do
Hmm.
what I'm doing.
That is great knowing your story. So now let's play a small rapid fire round. I'll just be asking you a bunch of questions and you can let me know whatever comes to your head. Right. So first question would be, which is your favorite coding language?
Java.
Backend
Yeah.
developer or
Yeah.
okay. And my second question would be, what is that one tech trend that you're most excited about?
Absolutely AI. That will be AI because the
Okay.
hype is around AI only, and I want to see how far it can go.
And are you someone who likes to study late at night, or are you an early bird and get up early in the morning and then study?
No, I'm a morning person.
And if you had to describe your entire journey with ArcheoJob in just one word, what would that be?
I would say upskilling.
Great. So, Ankita, one last question. If there is one piece of advice that you would like to give to anyone, especially a girl who is wanting to learn coding and a little bit hesitant like you were, what advice would you like to give her so that her entire journey is also a bit smoother like yours?
Yeah, right. So I would say that to have faith in the course, first of all, and also to have faith in learning and be
Hmm.
patient. That is
Hmm.
the most important thing because my journey is so long, and there was time where I was feeling frustrated that
Hmm.
why I'm not getting placed. But patience will actually help you in the long run.
Hmm. That's great piece of advice, Ankita. Thank you so much again for taking out time to do this with us. I am pretty sure people listening to you will surely find it insightful and will start their coding journey as soon as possible. Thank you so much and wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you so much.
So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you all found it extremely insightful. If you guys are also interested in learning coding, just visit the link provided in the description box below. It will take you to our landing page. It will give you an access to all the courses that we have to offer. We have amazing instructors and mentors to help you out throughout your journey. So do make sure that you check out the link provided in the description below. And if you guys are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you're always notified of all our upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next one.